In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to design email template in Canva. I'm Saif from digiWhisper, and let's get started. First, log into your Canva account and then click on the Canva logo to land on the Canva dashboard. So this is my Canva dashboard. You can start creating or designing email template from a couple of ways. First, you can click here the create button and you will find the email section for you. You can just click here. Just clicking here, it will open up a canvas for designing email template for your project. And you can otherwise start another way. First, click on the Canva logo, and then here you will find the email section available for you to create a canvas for your email template design. And this is the last option, and the most effective option for you is clicking the template section, and here you will find all of the design options available for you. Let's say you can design presentation, poster, resume, email, logo, flyer, Instagram post, Instagram story, video, invitation, mobile video, Facebook post, etc. In this templates library, you need to click the email section and it will open up all of the email templates available for you. You can either start from the blank or you can start from any of the pre-made templates for you. And one thing you should remember that some of the templates has crown icon. That means these types of templates are only available for a Canva Pro user. If you are a Canva free user, then you should avoid these templates like with the crown tag icon. This template is available for all of the user. If you are a Canva free user, you can also good to go with this type of template. So first choose your preferred template you want to go with or customize from that design. Let's say I want to start my email template design from this template. So click here and it will pop up the option to customize the template, and now click customize this template button and it will open the template in the Canva canvas. And now I have all of the option to change this information or replace this information with my own information, or I can just customize this template as per my own taste or requirements. So let's say I want to change the title here with my brand title or my brand name. Let's say DG Whisper, and I can change all of the information. Let's say I can change this text and replace it. This is your go-to channel for software solutions. Okay. And let's say I want to change this design as well. So just click here. Clicking here, you will see nothing happens. I can't find any of the editing option, but you can double click here to edit this section and it will open up a new page. So now I can just replace anything. Let's say first content, I can edit this and I can increase the background. Okay. And productivity, let's say productivity, just increase a little bit and adjust it. I need to adjust this background as well, and I want to replace it with business, and it will increase the background as well. So just increase the background here, and let's say I want to change the color of the background. Let's say I want to change this color as red, and I'm selecting the color as deep red, and this color, font color, as white. So again, just font color white, font color white, background color red, background color red. So let's say I want to change this image as well. So click here in the element section, and here I want to replace with software related image. So just software, and I can replace it with this image. Okay, I can adjust the image. Once everything is perfect, now click the save button and it will save in your email template. And I can change this button as well with my own information. Let's say I want to add and watch now, or subscribe now, and click the done button. And let's say I want to change the button color as well, red and white, font color as white. This way you can change all of the information with your information about digiWhisper. digiWhisper. So you can add your image here, office related image I'm searching, click photo, and now I want to change this image with this image and with, let's say, this image. Just drag and drop it. And this way you can add all of the information here with your own information. Contact us. I am changing the color with my, let's say, brand color, and I want to change the font color as well. So this is very straightforward. I can change this information with my information, digiWhisper.com and digiWhisper.com, my phone number, my address, all of the information is based on my company information, and I can change everything if I need. Let's say I want to add another button here. How I can add it? Just click the element section here. I can find the email template related elements here available. Let's say header. I can add header, I can add footer, I can add button, I can add any types of icon blocks, I can add columns, you can add any types of highlighted parts, graphics, photos, videos, stickers, charts, sheets, tables. These all are available for the Canva email template design. If you just open any of the email template using Canva, only then when you click the element section, you will find all of this available for you. Let's say I want to add a button here. I can just click here and I can select any of the button from this button library. Let's say I want to add this button. So click here and now it will add in your canvas. I can now adjust it with my own text. Let's say click now, and here you can add your link and just click done to add the link. I can change the color from here. Let's say click here and it will add your color in this button. So this is very simple. Let's say I want to delete it now. Just click here to delete this section. So once everything is done and customize your template, it's time to test your template, how it look like. So how we can test our email template? Just you will find send test email here. Just click here and add a subject line here, or you can use this subject line. And now just click send test email here and it will send a test email in your email account. Let's say I want to test it and click send test email, and it is processing to send me a test email. And if I check my email address now, see there is an email for me, and click here and I can test my email template is available here and everything is perfect. And let's say if you want to design your email template from the scratch, you can click here in the blank template and it will open up a canvas for you. And now click on the element and you will find all of the elements you need to design your email template. Let's say I want to add first a header. So click here, and there are different types of header design available for you. Let's say I want to add this header. So click here, and it will come up to your canvas. And now let's say I want to add an image. So click here, the photo section, and now add an image. Let's say I want to add this image. So click here, and it will come up in your template. And let's say I want to add now a column. So click here and select what type of column you want. There are three types of column. The first one is basic column, and the second one is styled column, and third one is pre-designed columns. So let's say I want to add very simple column. So I can just click here to add the column in my design. So it will add column in my design. So there are two columns. And let's say I want to add icon blocks. Just click here and select the icon box you want. It will come up in my design now. And let's say now I want to add the footer section, and click here in the footer section, and let's say I want to choose this one, and click here. It will come up in your template. So this way you can design email templates from the sketch. Now I want to just download this template to use it in my email marketing platform. Click the share button, click the download button, and here it will select HTML and image option. This is the suggested option for you. Just select this and now click the download button, and it will be download as an HTML so that you can add it in your email marketing platform further. So that's it. In this video, I have shown you how to design email template in Canva. All right, that's it. Now it's your turn. What's the one tech issue that's been driving you crazy lately? Drop it in the comment, and I might pick your question in the next video. I genuinely read every comment because this channel is all about solving your real life problem, not just random tutorials. So if you are stuck and confused or just curious about a tool, ask me below. I will reply you personally to help you out. Oh, and don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must-visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.